Hi everybody, this is Jodie Rollins, Psychic Medium and the Mojo Maverick, and this is your LOA DIY video of the month. This month's video is, well, it's informative and educational, as it should be. But it's really it's going to seem like a duh kind of moment. But I'm noticing that people, when they start working with the Law of Attraction, think that the Law of Attraction just started working for them. And the truth is, the law of attraction is working all the time. It's physics, it's science, it's how energy works. Like attracts like. Gravity doesn't start working when you jump off the step and pull you down. It's working all the time. You just didn't jump off the step. Electricity is always running, whether you flick on the light or not. It's always running. This is the awareness that I would like to bring into this video today, is that the law of attraction is always showing up to show you how fantastic of a creator you are. Whether you're creating an absolute crap day or not, you can notice that if something crappy happened, you focused on it and you tried to figure out why it happened, and then you phoned a friend, and then you added another thing, and again and again and again. So you created a crappy thing followed by a crappy thing followed by another crappy thing, which again confirmed that you're having a crappy day, so you pulled in one last crappy thing. That was a great day of creating. It was maybe not the thing that you really wanted, but that was a great day of creating. If you can look at the ownership of that and the understanding, you will see that you can just as easily create a crappy day as you can create a magnificent day. But it will take some change in your thinking, some change in your mind. It will take you starting to make sure you're focusing on the things that feel good, or the things that feed you, so that the quantum field or guides and angels or the universe, or whatever word you want to use, can come flying in the stuff that matches that vibration. You're in charge. You get to choose. You got this. Have yourself a fantastic month, and I will see you next month. Don't forget to sign up for everything I got going on. Okay, bye-bye.